go eat my boy Meow bag cake. Yeah. Well, it's time to go to the store. Can I come too? Sure. Okay, thank you. We're here. What do we need to come here for? Well, we're going to make you your own room since we have the room upstairs. Yay! So let's go inside. Money that you can spend on stuff that you want for your room. Okay, thank you. We're back. Yay! Why did you use the money on a cat stand? I also got some kitties. Time to go to bed.